Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick guide, I will show you how to turn on location for Instagram map so your posts and stories appear with location tags. For that, first, enable location on your phone. For that, swipe down to view your settings panel and from here, turn on the location. Second step is to allow Instagram to use location. For that, open settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Instagram. Go to permissions. Search for this option called location and tap on it. And select allow while using the app. Now third step is to add location to your post or story. While creating a post, reel or story, tap add location, choose your location from the list. Once posted, your content will appear on the Instagram map with the location tag, and that's it. Now your Instagram posts and stories will show up on the map with location enabled. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.